Hello children, welcome back in maths class. Children, today we are going to learn chapter 29. Let's untie a 10 in order to subtract. Page number 53. Children, we already learned the simple subtraction examples. Today we are going to learn subtraction by untying or borrowing or opening out a 10. See children, the first example, 35 minus 17. Here children, see here 35 means 3 tenths and 5 units, and 17 means 1 tenth and 7 units. Now see children, first always we will start from the unit place. We cannot subtract 7 from 5 because 5 children here smaller and 7 is the bigger. So we have to borrow 1 10 from the tens place. Here children, in tens place 3 tens are there. So we will take from that tens place 1 borrow in the unit place. So 5 as it is you have to write, and you have to take 1 borrow from the tens place. So here it will become 15. And here in tens place we have taken, so it will become less. Here it will come upside 2. Now children, see here. Now cancel 7 from the 15 units. So it will become 8. And from tens place you have to subtract 2 minus 1. So it will become 1. So your answer become 18. Now next example, 40 minus 11. 67 minus 29 and 92 minus 53. Always start from the unit place. See children, first example, 40 minus 11. So here we cannot subtract 1 from the 0 because 0 is smaller. So 0 as it is, write down unit place and take 1 10. We borrow 1 10 from the tens place. So here in unit place you have to write 1. So it will become 10. And from tens place we taken 1 borrow. So here it will become less. So here it will come 3. Now subtract 1 unit from the 10 units. So it will become 9. And 1 10 from the 3 tens. So it will become 2. So answer here 29. Like this way children, these examples you have to solve. Remaining examples you have to solve. Here also some examples of subtraction. Page number 54. 22 minus 7. So it is not possible to subtract 7 from 2. So we can borrow 1 here in the unit place. So it will become 12. 12 minus 7. Here answer will come 5. In unit place it will come 1 as it is. So answer become 15. Like this way children, next example, 30 minus 9 and 63 minus 6. Children, you have to repeat again these examples again and again. Then only you are able to solve this example. Let us see the next example. Bhavna has watered 27 of 43 trees. How many does she still have to water? Now still means remaining. Here we have to do subtraction. What is given children in this example? Total trees 43 and 27 watered. What is asked? How many to be watered? What shall we do? Subtract 43 minus 27. Here 43 is the total trees, 27 is the water trees. Now children, we cannot 43 means 4, 10 and 3 units. We cannot subtract 7 units from the 3. So we have taken borrow from the tens place. So here it will become 13 now, and in 4 tens place it will become less. It will come here 3. Now 13 minus 7 it will become 6, and 3 minus 2 it will become 16. Now children, it's time of homework. Today's homework: solve all examples in the notebook given in the video. Thank you.